Congratulations on the purchase of your new Schok Classic flip phone. Please follow along with this video to get your phone ready to use. Opening the box for the first time, you'll discover an amazing set of premium accessories: a useful desk charging dock, a rechargeable battery, a set of headphones with hands-free function, a wall charger, 3 different colorful covers, a quick user manual, the warranty policy, an extra long 5-foot braided USB charging cable. Before you will be able to use the phone, you will need to insert a nano SIM card. If you don't have one, please take your phone to your nearest GSM cell phone provider. Schok Classic is compatible with GSM carriers such as AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, Consumer Cellular, and Metro PCS. If you already have a nano SIM card, please place the phone face down, insert your fingernail into the small slot in the back, and remove the cover. Install the SIM card in the dedicated SIM card slot. Insert the rechargeable battery by aligning the 3 gold connectors. To close the back cover, return the cover to its proper place, apply normal pressure from the top to bottom until you hear secure clicks. If closed correctly, there will be no visual gaps between the back cover and the structure of the phone. Now, peel the protective film off the camera lens and exterior screen. Flip open the phone and peel off the main display protective film using the tab in the upper right corner. While the battery arrives charged from the factory, it's still a good idea to charge it for a couple of hours before turning your phone on for the first time. To turn on the Schok Classic, press the red power button for 3 seconds. Wait for approximately 1 minute. After turning the device on, if you notice that the screen appears distorted, please don't worry. The protective film sometimes creates an electrostatic effect that impacts the display temporarily. To resolve the problem, wait a couple of minutes. Turn the phone completely off by pressing and holding the power key again. Wait for 1 minute and then turn the phone back on. The electrostatic effect should disappear to reveal the display in its full 16 million color vibrancy. For specifics about how to navigate your phone, please reference your quick user manual or open the My Schok app directly. If for any reason you lost your manual, please download a digital PDF version by clicking the button below. Your Schok Classic is now ready to use. Welcome to the Schok family.